Good morning, class. Yesterday we studied what is a tangent and we did one theorem also based on that. Today we are going to start with the next topic, that number of tangents from a given point. First, understand what this means. If I have a circle, if I say a point lies inside the circle, the point is P, and I ask you to draw a tangent from this point P. Is it possible to draw a tangent from point P? Tangent is a line. So let's start by drawing some lines. Tangent is a line that touches the circle at only one point. So all these lines are touching the circle. Like if I say this line, this is touching the circle at 2 point. This also 2 point, this also 2 point. So in this way, we can say that there is no tangent that can be drawn from this point. If I say, now the point is lying on the circle, say this. So number of tangent, I can draw one tangent like this. If I try to draw any other line, it is not possible to draw. So if point lies inside the circle, inside circle, no possible tangent. If point lies on circle, the number of tangents possible, one tangent is possible. Third case is if circle is there and the point is lying outside the circle. So the number of tangents that we can draw from here and from here. So in this way we can draw two tangents from a point lying outside the circle. So outside the circle, number of tangents, two tangents are possible. So our second theorem of this chapter is based on this result, that two tangents can be drawn from a point lying outside the circle. So what does the theorem says? The theorem says the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Means if I have a circle like this and from a point outside the circle, say this is point P, I can draw two tangents. One tangent say PA and other tangent is PB. So what I have to prove, what the theorem says, the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So I have to prove that PA is equal to PB, means these two tangents are equal. We will start with the given part. What is given to us? PA and PB are tangents. To prove, what we have to prove? PA is equal to PB. Yesterday I told you, whenever you have tangents, mark the center and to benefit it, join the point of contact with the center. So construction will be join OA and OB. Now coming to proof. What we have to prove? PA is equal to PB. In 9th class we studied in congruency. Equality comes from congruency. So to obtain PA is equal to PB, we will be using the congruency, and to congruency we have to make two triangles, one PA containing and one PB containing. So we will join PO. Join PO. So we have two triangles, in triangle PAO and triangle PBO. We have to prove PA is equal to PB. PO is equal to PO. Common. Next is OA is equal to OB. Why they are equal? Radii. And third thing, what is the angle made between the tangent and the radius? These two angles are 90. So angle PAO is equal to angle PBO, each 90 degree. So triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. By which rule? 90, this is hypotenuse, this is right hand side, by RHS. And we can say PA is equal to PB by CPCT. From this theorem we get another result, that these two angles will also be equal and these two angles will also be equal. Means angle APO is equal to angle BPO and another AOP is equal to angle BOP. So in MCQ part we can directly use these two angles are equal and these two angles are also equal. So this was your theorem 10.2. Based on this theorem we will be doing one question. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle with radius OB is equal to 9 cm. Radius tangent, mark the angle 90 at the first go. OA is, what we have OA? 15 cm. Find the length of tangent AC. We have to find AC. As you already know, AB and AC are two tangents. So AB will be equal to AC. Both the tangents are from external point A. So in place of finding AC, we will find AB. AB in this right angle triangle using Pythagoras theorem. 15 square is equal to 9 square plus AB square. 225 is equal to 81 plus AB square. AB square is equal to 225 minus 81. What you got? 144 is equal to AB square. And AB comes out to be 12 centimeter. AB is 12 means AC is also 12 centimeter.